Hey everyone, welcome to my demo of VI Assistant. This is my custom virtual assistant built with Django and Python. It's like a web-based Jarvis kinda inspired by that, you know? Completely open source. No external APIs needed at all. Pretty cool, right? So, let's jump in. I'm on the main page of VI Assistant. Scrolling down, we've got the title, VI Assistant, your interactive web assistant. Now, look at this section. What VI Assistant can do. First, multi-platform music playback. You can say something like, play Bohemian Rhapsody on Spotify, and it'll handle it. Then Wikipedia stuff for who is or what is questions. Web navigation, open sites like Facebook, Instagram, Netflix, Amazon, you name it. There's also conversational stuff, greetings, time, date, even jokes with pie jokes. And down here, getting started. Just click this big access platform button to start interacting. Alright, let's click that access platform link. And here we are on the interaction page. Let me try another one. Who is Elon Musk? It pulls from Wikipedia, gives a quick summary. Nice and accurate. One more fun one. Tell me a joke. You can also do open Netflix and it launches the site right away. Or search for best Python tutorials, does a web search. And it handles natural conversation too, like hello or good morning. It responds politely. If you're idle, it even checks in, like, are you still there? Super responsive. And since it's all local libraries, no rate limits or costs. Slight stumble, the best part is that it's fully open source, so you can fork it, improve the voice recognition, maybe add more features. I built this to be simple yet powerful, you know? No need for Grok or ChatGAP APIs, just pure Python magic. That's pretty much the walkthrough. Takes commands via voice or text. Handles music, info, navigation, entertainment. If you're watching this, go try it yourself. Thanks for checking it out. Let me know what you think.